I took my master lock, the hardened steel one with the mushroom pins apart. Here's where the pins are held. Here is the balls that keep the shackle from rising. This holds the balls. Here are the regular pins. They're different sizes because the key, the indents in the key are different sizes. So the longer pins fall down into the deeper indents. Here's the mushroom pins. They're all the same size. And a bigger view of those looks like this. So now I gotta put it back together, and I now have a better understanding of how the inside works. Maybe I'll be able to pick it. Here's what the key looks like when it's inserted. All the pins fit the sizes of the different indents. And the top is now flat and aligned with the shear line inside the lock. So it will now turn and open. Here's what it looks like with all the pins, mushroom pins on top, entering into the plug. And the straight line that's in between the two pins, the two sets of pins, that is where the shear line is inside here. Once that aligns with the shear line, it will spin and open. Alright, so I found out mushroom pins need very little pressure, tension, close to none, very, very little. Also, it's better if they're raked. This is my homemade rake. Made it with a hacksaw blade. There we go. I've nearly run out of things to show on these videos because I don't have the new tools that I need to move on to new stuff. For example, disc tumbler picks for any disc tumbler locks. I could show you those. Warded picks for warded padlocks, which are becoming very common with master locks. Slim Jims for opening car doors. I could show you those. Also, tubular picks would be very helpful. And even handcuff key. And I could show you how to open handcuffs. So if you feel like donating any money to help me out get new tools, make sure to watch episode 115. That has the instructions on it.